Alright guys, today I'm gonna make a video on how to take better pictures on your phone. So let's do this. Alright, first thing what I do is turn on the settings. I go to the camera and turn on the grid. It helps a lot. So once you turn on the grid, what I do is I use the grid to frame my shot. I have a foreground and a background, and then there you go. You don't need to change any settings or something. Just click one more time. There you go. And if you want to make it more dramatic, you could just go to portrait mode, right? Focus on the leaves, blur out on the back. Just, it looks smooth, it looks nice. Another thing that I look into when taking pictures, something that kind of helps me, is look for a pattern or any kind of design. Like if there's a pattern, so we could see like all these chairs right here, so it's pretty nice pattern going from one side to the other side. Frame for one, like right here, put in a straight line, straight angle. There you go. Just click it. Or you could get a little bit higher. So I'm gonna get on top of this and get another shot of this. There you go. Make a little dark so you have a nice contrast in the pictures. Boom. One more time. There you go. Looks sweet. So the pattern, like having things in a pattern in order, it helps a lot because it brings more attention, it brings more juice to the pictures. Another thing what I usually do, I never take a picture flat straight from here, because everybody's gonna do that. So just go around, use these leaves, focus right there, and there you go. I feel like that's a lot better picture and more contrast. There's more things going on in the picture, it's better. The biggest thing is turn on the grid so you could frame your picture, because framing helps a lot. Like just turn on the grid. If there's like only one or two people, have them in the middle. If there's more, go horizontal way. And yeah, it should help. And yep, see, stay tuned for more tutorials. I'll help you guys with how to edit your pictures too. Should be coming out next week.